Welcome to today's new video. If your hair falls fast and doesn't grow long, then this video is especially for you. Let's start the video. Onion oil benefits: booster hair growth, reverse premature graying, nourish hair follicles, prevents hair fall. So first of all, chop 1/2 onions and add them to a blender jar. Pour in a tablespoon of coconut oil to the blender jar. Blend everything in a blender to a smooth paste. Take a pan and pour the onion paste and coconut oil it. Onion paste 1/2 cup. Coconut oil 1/2 cup. Stir well and simmer it on low flame for few minutes until the onion paste turns light brown. After the oil has cooled down, take a cheesecloth and strain the oil through it. Transfer the oil to a clean bottle and store it in a cool dry place. Add few drops of essential oil to mask the smell of the onion oil. To use the oil on your scalp and hair twice a week for best results. Thanks for watching.